Hi, Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply, and welcome to our warehouse. Today we're going to discuss a brand new product from Bona Chemi, which is Red Out. We're not only going to talk about it, we're also going to apply it. Just to go back, what we're trying to do is we're trying to remove that pink patina out of the red oak. And part one is going to start that process, and part two is going to even it out. And that's the concept behind this. Do not, I'm going to repeat that, do not mix part one and part two in liquid form in the same bucket. All right, so we're going to pour out some part one of the Red Out from Bona Chemi, and we want to make sure that we shake this container, and actually we're going to shake part one and two, but particularly part one. Part one has a solid particulate in it that over time will settle out, so that's important to note when you're applying this material out of a bucket. You want to make sure that you keep it agitated, so every time you put your roller in there or your applicator, that you agitate the material and keep things suspended and stir it up. This material's viscosity is that of water, so it will splash, it will spray. So get things covered, get things taped out, and when in doubt, remove it if you can. So keep it agitated, make sure that material stays mixed. And we're just going to coat this even. You can see it does splash. It is going to get over areas. We have a concrete floor here, so not too worried about it. If you want to take a look at my roller, you can see it's already turning slightly pink. So we're getting a reaction for sure. All right, so we're on our red oak panel here, and we're about to apply step two. And this is the second application of the two-step process, and this is the second coat for this side of the panel. So you do want to keep this material agitated like we were saying before, and so hopefully we'll be able to pick up if there's a difference in one coat application or two on the red oak. So this is the Bona Chemi Red Out step two. And then we'll come back again. We didn't let that dry overnight. We applied that step two as soon as the floor was within 1 percentage point moisture content from our base reading. So we're finished with our red oak panel here. We've got several sections. One, we did one application of Bona Chemi's Red Out and stained it gray. And then the other section here on your right, my left, is a double application of Bona Chemi's Red Out. So we did step one and step two, waited the next day, did step one and step two again. Great product, easy application. Again, you can pat it on, roll it, you can pull it with a T-bar. So we have step one and step two. You know, all the details are also be able to be found on our website at cityfloorsupply.com. Just go to the Bona Chemi section, do a drop down, that'll take you to the Red Out page. and you'll get to this video. You'll also get MSDS sheets and all the spec sheets that you want, the PDFs on this product. It's cityfloorsupply.com, or you can give us a call if you want to talk to someone, 1-800-737-1786.